Ladies and gentlemen, on November 2nd, you are gonna have an opportunity to bid on over 3,000 different pellets of landscaping, building brick. Also, there'll be paving stone and a multitude of other things, whether it's for your own personal residence or a commercial building project. This place is filled with mega tons of brick that you get to pick the price on. It's a on-site auction event. If you want any of the details, make sure you click on the link in the description. Otherwise, we'll show you a brief overview of about 10% of the items that you can bid on. Let's take a look now. This place is filled right to the brim, like I was saying. Some of those going 4 and 6 deep. This is just a small percentage of all the amazing building block that you can use to fortify your own domain or work into a multitude of other projects. This place is packed full. We've been at it for just a little over 2.5 weeks trying to get all of the amazing products active for you to bid on. Now, if you want an in-depth view of all the cool things that we have, that's including the factory in the back, you can click on the link in the description to preview it now.